I know you come to market through partners because we happen to be one, but how do you guys generally approach the market? I mean, is it a lot of direct through partners, OEMs? Like what kinds of things, like where would people see you or know your solution?
Mm-hmm. It's the mix. It's the mix. We do have a very strong direct sales force when it comes to the German-speaking markets, because this is where our company originated. But in the meantime, we have been expanding globally, and this is why I came on board. This is my job to expand internationally, and this we do through direct, but also indirect sales. You touched on OEM partnerships. We do have OEM partners, for instance, in shipbuilding industry, where a partner of ours is using our technology, puts a shipbuilding application package, let me call it this way, on top of the Contact Elements platform. And by doing so is offering a very tailored solution for the shipbuilding market. We, of course, work and sell through partners. And the reason why is there are certain things you cannot buy for money, right? So one of the things is because we're not a giant PLM supplier, or our pick one of the three letter abbreviations, we just need to go to market more differently.